Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install the Amazon shopping application on your iOS device, whether you are using iPhone or iPad. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet connection and then launch open your App Store. Now, click the search icon at the bottom right corner from your App Store and in the search bar at the top type in Amazon. Look for the Amazon shopping application from the search result, and once you find this application, tap on the cloud or the Get button to start the download process. You may need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if you are downloading the app for the first time on the device. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch open the Amazon shopping app on your iOS device. Now you can go ahead and create a new account or sign in with your existing one, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.